Here is how to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. So if you accidentally deleted a photo or video draft, you can retrieve it. So first, go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your account. Now tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right. Then after, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to go to Settings and Privacy. Now you need to open your account center. Then go to Your Information and Permissions and tap on Download Your Information or Export Your Information. Then tap on Create Export. Tap on Export to Device or External Service according to your preference. And instead of downloading all your information, select Types of Information or Customize Information. And here, go to Media, Photos and Videos, and then select it and choose to download it to your device. You can also go to Date Range, Format, and Media Quality and set it according to your preference. And then tap on Start Export that is highlighted in blue color. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.